Okay, I want to talk to you guys about pre-loss condition. You've got hail damage, you've got wind damage, and all you're telling them is that they've got hail damage or they've got wind damage, and you're not talking about the pre-loss condition at all, and that is leading to problems. Because if you don't talk about the pre-damage condition, the pre-loss condition, then you're not talking about the condition. And the condition is different than an event or a peril. The policy pays for damages caused by covered perils, covered damages caused by covered perils. And people pay a premium for the insurance company to cover them on the property the way it exists now. So, if there is a roof and it's older, but they're still paying their premiums, the insurance company's still collecting their premiums, then they are still covering that roof in its current condition against covered damages caused by a covered peril. If that current condition is old, that's a condition. We're not talking about a peril of wear and tear. Wear and tear is a peril. It just doesn't even make sense because it's an expected thing that happens over a long period of time. Wear and tear doesn't suddenly and abruptly happen. It's not sudden. So no one would file a claim on something that's not sudden. It needs to be sudden. But if you don't talk about that pre-existing condition, then companies like Donut Engineering that have written that wear and tear is the proximate cause of a lot of losses could end up calling wear and tear the cause of loss because they believe that that started the chain of events off. If you instead actually write that the roof is older and a hail event came through and caused this specific damage to it, and you can show the difference between wear and tear and improper installation in your restoration report, now we're talking about the pre-loss condition, and we're separating it out from the damages that occurred, and now you can get to coverages a lot easier.